Welcome to the dawn of a new era in artificial intelligence. Imagine an AI that is not just a chatbot, but a true digital operator, free, open source, and running right on your own hardware. This is more than a technical upgrade, it's a paradigm shift in how we interact with machines. No longer confined to the cloud or dependent on external servers, this new breed of AI empowers users with privacy, control, and unprecedented flexibility. As we embark on this journey, let's explore how self-hosted AI is transforming both our personal and professional lives. Self-hosted AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that you can run directly on your own devices, rather than relying on cloud-based services. This approach is open source and free, giving you full control over your data and how the AI operates. It's a significant step forward for privacy advocates and tech enthusiasts alike. By running AI locally, you eliminate many of the risks associated with sending sensitive information over the internet. Plus, you gain the ability to customize and optimize the AI to suit your unique needs and workflows. Imagine having an AI that works around the clock, not just answering questions but actively managing tasks and learning your habits. This digital operator goes far beyond the traditional chatbot. It remembers context, adapts to your routines, and proactively executes real-world tasks. Whether it's scheduling meetings, automating purchases, or monitoring your business operations, this AI becomes an indispensable part of your daily workflow. The rise of these digital operators is already influencing hardware trends, with devices like the Mac Mini seeing increased demand as more people deploy local AI instances. We're witnessing a paradigm shift, the evolution from passive chatbots to active digital operators. Traditional chatbots are reactive, they wait for your input and can only respond with text. In contrast, digital operators are agentic and proactive. They remember past interactions, improve over time, and can take real actions like running code or managing files. This shift unlocks a new level of productivity and automation, making AI a true partner rather than just a tool. Previously, AI was often trapped within the confines of a web browser, limited in what it could do. Now with full local system access, digital operators can interact with your entire device. They can create files, run terminal commands, and even control local applications. This newfound freedom transforms AI from a simple conversational partner into a powerful assistant capable of handling complex workflows and real-world tasks, all while maintaining your privacy and security. Like traditional chatbots that forget everything after each session, digital operators have persistent memory. They build context over time, learning from each interaction and continuously improving their performance. This means your AI assistant becomes more effective the longer you use it, anticipating your needs and streamlining your daily routines. It's like having a personal assistant who never forgets and always strives to do better. The dynamic nature of digital operators sets them apart. Instead of waiting for your instructions, they identify opportunities and take initiative. For example, if your AI notices a failed online booking, it can automatically attempt to resolve the issue or suggest alternatives. This agentic behavior means your AI is always working in the background, seeking ways to make your life easier and more efficient. True Agent System is built on three pillars: system access, proactive workflow, and persistent memory. The AI runs directly on your hardware, giving it the hands to create files, execute commands, and interact with local apps. Its proactive workflow allows it to identify opportunities and act without constant prompting. Over time, it builds experience, evolving from a generic tool into a tailored assistant that fits your unique needs. Digital operators are revolutionizing life automation. Imagine your AI detecting your wake-up time and scheduling deliveries to arrive just as your day begins. Or if an online booking fails, it can call the restaurant and negotiate a reservation on your behalf. These smart assistants can handle complex purchasing tasks, scour the internet for the best deals, and even negotiate prices, saving you time and money. Let's look at a real-world example. Your AI detects your usual wake-up time and arranges for your breakfast delivery to arrive exactly when you start your day. This level of automation is possible thanks to persistent memory and proactive workflows. The AI learns your habits, predicts your needs, and takes action without you having to ask. It's a seamless blend of convenience and intelligence. With advanced voice synthesis technology, digital operators can interact with humans over the phone. For example, if an online reservation fails, your AI can call the restaurant, speak with staff, and secure a booking for you. This not only saves you time but also demonstrates the growing sophistication of AI in handling real-world interactions. Digital operators can handle even the most complex purchasing tasks. For instance, if you need to buy a vehicle, your AI can scour online forums for price comparisons, email dealerships, and negotiate deals on your behalf. In one example, this approach saved a user over $4,200. The AI's ability to research, communicate, and act autonomously turns daunting tasks into streamlined processes. In the business world, digital operators are transforming operations. They can scan YouTube and X overnight for competitor analysis, compile morning briefings, monitor ad spend, and pause underperforming creatives. From managing podcast workflows to generating branded reports, these AI assistants handle a wide range of tasks, freeing up valuable time for human employees to focus on strategic decisions. Imagine your AI working while you sleep, scanning social media platforms for outlier content, and compiling a comprehensive morning briefing. This level of automation ensures you're always one step ahead of the competition, with up-to-date insights delivered directly to your inbox each morning. Digital operators can monitor your daily ad spend, automatically pausing poor-performing creatives and alerting you if spending goes off target. This real-time oversight helps optimize your marketing budget and ensures your campaigns are always running at peak efficiency. Managing a podcast involves many moving parts, from researching guests to scheduling interviews. Digital operators can automate this entire workflow, researching potential guests, finding contact information via APIs, sending outreach emails, and managing your calendar. This streamlines the process and allows you to focus on creating great content. For deep research tasks, digital operators can generate branded PDF reports complete with SWOT analysis and other insights. By scouring the internet for the latest news and trends, your AI assistant ensures you always have the information you need to make informed decisions. Digital operators aren't just for business or personal tasks, they're also the ultimate coding partners. They can autonomously build, test, and deploy new features without human intervention. For example, when a bot noticed a post about a $1 M prize, it automatically built and pushed a new article writing feature, demonstrating the power of autonomous execution. In deploying your digital operator, you have several options: Cloud VPS for always online access, a dedicated Mac Mini for security and isolation, or even an old laptop for tinkering at zero cost. Each option has its pros and cons, but the key is to avoid installing on your primary machine to protect sensitive data. Choose the vessel that best fits your needs and budget. For cost and uptime, Cloud VPS is recommended, but for maximum security, a dedicated Mac Mini is ideal. Tinkerers might prefer using an old laptop. Always remember, never install your digital operator on a primary machine containing sensitive data. This precaution helps safeguard your privacy and ensures your AI runs in a secure, isolated environment. Successful digital operator system balances intelligence and execution. The brain, powered by advanced models like Claude Opus or GPT-4, handles complex reasoning and planning but comes with higher costs. The muscles, using models like Haiku or local alternatives, focus on executing tasks efficiently and affordably. This strategy maximizes intelligence while minimizing API expenses, ensuring your AI is both smart and cost-effective. The goal is clear: maximize your AI's intelligence while keeping costs low. By using expensive models only for strategic thinking and cheaper models for routine execution, you can optimize both performance and budget. This approach ensures you get the best of both worlds, cutting-edge intelligence without breaking the bank. Getting started with your digital operator is easier than ever. In under an hour, you can generate API keys, run a single-line install command, and link your AI to messaging platforms like Telegram. Device pairing is straightforward, and the process is designed to be accessible even for those with limited technical experience. With clear instructions, you'll have your AI up and running in no time. First step is to generate API keys from providers like Anthropic or OpenAI. Next, run a simple command from the OpenClaw site in your terminal. This streamlined process ensures your digital operator is securely installed and ready to connect with your preferred messaging platforms for seamless interaction. To enable real-time communication, link your digital operator to messaging platforms like Telegram using tools such as BotFather. Enter the pairing code in your terminal, and your AI will be ready to receive and execute commands from anywhere. This integration makes your digital operator accessible and responsive at all times. To truly unlock the potential of your digital operator, treat onboarding as you would with a human employee. Provide a context dump, input your business goals, work style, and information about competitors right away. This helps the AI understand your needs and tailor its actions to maximize your success. Effective onboarding is crucial. Treat your AI like a new team member. Share your objectives, preferred work style, and key information about your business. The more context you provide, the better your digital operator can serve you, proactively identifying opportunities and streamlining your workflow. To get the most out of your digital operator, explicitly grant it permission to act. Don't just wait for it to respond, encourage it to initiate actions and suggest improvements. This proactive mandate transforms your AI from a passive tool into an active partner, always seeking ways to add value. One of the most powerful features of digital operators is their ability to uncover opportunities you might not even be aware of. Ask your AI, based on my role, what are 10 things you can do to make my life easier? You'll be surprised at the creative and practical solutions it can offer, often revealing hidden efficiencies and new possibilities. With great power comes great responsibility. As digital operators gain more access and autonomy, new risks emerge. Exposed servers, malicious community skills, and prompt injection attacks can compromise your data and security. It's essential to understand these risks and implement robust safeguards to protect yourself and your organization. Over 900 misconfigured servers have been found publicly exposed, putting sensitive data at risk. Community-contributed skills may contain vulnerabilities or even malware. The consequences can be severe, including leaked API keys and chat histories. Vigilance and proper configuration are essential to maintaining a secure environment. Prompt injection is a sophisticated attack where malicious commands are hidden in emails or websites. If your AI is not properly secured, these hidden prompts can trigger unwanted or even dangerous actions. Understanding and mitigating prompt injection is crucial for anyone deploying a digital operator. To safeguard your digital operator, follow these 5 security commandments. Sandbox everything, use dedicated accounts, firewall your vault, start with read-only permissions, and trust no one. These protocols help ensure your AI operates in a secure, controlled environment, minimizing the risk of data breaches or unauthorized actions. Always run your digital operator in an isolated environment such as a Mac Mini or VPS. Never use your primary machine for deployment. This isolation protects your personal files and sensitive data from potential breaches or malware, providing a crucial layer of security. Create new email accounts specifically for your digital operator and never link your primary personal accounts. Always firewall your vault, never connect a password manager to your AI. These steps help prevent unauthorized access and protect your most sensitive information. When setting up your digital operator, start with the strictest permissions, read-only access. Gradually increase permissions only as needed. This cautious approach limits potential damage if something goes wrong and ensures you maintain control over your system. Never auto-approve sensitive actions. Always require manual approval for critical operations. A control you click through is not a true control. Maintain oversight and ensure you're always in charge of your AI's actions. While the software for digital operators is often free, API tokens can become expensive, especially with unmanaged usage. Costs can range from $80 to $300 per day if not optimized. The key is to use expensive models for strategic thinking and cheaper models for routine tasks, keeping your expenses in check while maintaining high performance. API tokens are the real cost driver for digital operators. To manage expenses, disconnect unused channels like Slack or Discord and ensure you're only paying for what you use. This simple step can significantly reduce your monthly costs and prevent unnecessary charges. It's important to remember that while the software itself may be free, the underlying infrastructure, especially API tokens, can incur significant costs. By strategically allocating tasks between high-cost and low-cost models, you can enjoy the benefits of advanced AI without overspending. To keep your digital operator running efficiently, regularly review your usage and disconnect any unnecessary integrations. This not only saves money but also reduces the risk of security vulnerabilities from unused channels. Stay vigilant and proactive in managing your AI's resources. OpenClaw and similar platforms represent a monumental step toward accessible artificial general intelligence. The future isn't just coming, it's already here. These digital operators are reshaping how we work, live, and interact with technology, making advanced AI available to everyone. Pioneers of this new era are the tinkerers, those who experiment, innovate, and push the boundaries of what's possible. By exploring and refining digital operators today, they're building the foundation for tomorrow's AI-driven world. Their curiosity and determination are driving the next wave of technological advancement. With great technological power comes the responsibility to use it wisely. Digital operators are incredibly powerful tools, but they also come with sharp edges. Always respect the capabilities of your AI, stay vigilant about security, and be mindful of costs. By doing so, you can harness the full potential of this technology while minimizing risks. The journey toward accessible self-hosted AI is just beginning. By isolating environments, watching costs, and continuously innovating, we're building the future of artificial intelligence right now. Stay curious, stay safe, and embrace the possibilities that digital operators bring to your life and work.